How to download and watch TikTok videos offline. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account on TikTok application, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now, as you check on the connection, just wait until it loads the TikTok page. And you can just simply select any of the random videos over here. So what you can do over here is simply tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you tap on the share icon, it will give us different options. So you can simply tap on the share icon. So after tapping on the share icon, we'll be able to see the different options. So let us wait until it loads all of these options. So here you can see the option of download. So tap on download, and as you tap on download, it will start downloading the video to your gallery. And that's how you can see and watch TikTok videos offline. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.